Hello internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook an egg as it was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. Let's go! First things first, you're going to want to get an egg. So this is Gladys, and this is Vernon, and he's sitting on the egg. And look at that, we actually have 2 eggs today. Now, I don't buy eggs, so these are the only ones I have, and that's why it took me so long. So before you cook them, you want to make sure there's no developed fetus in them. It only takes 2 weeks for it to develop, so you gotta get them out quick, and sometimes it feels like we're running a late-term abortion clinic.
That looks like blood. It looks like there's some egg in there.
So make sure to grease your pan with some extra virgin organic coconut oil.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, what did you do?
I dropped it.
Okay, so there's the second egg. It's not that bad. They're just gonna fry that up. Now they are quite small, so it would take a lot to make a dozen, but it'll still come out like a normal egg. Make sure your burner's on high and just plop it in there on top of the coconut oil and it'll fry right up. And there's your egg. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a paper towel. So you just wanna cut it up to cool it down. Perfect. And once it is all cooled off, it's ready to be served. Who's ready for some breakfast? Oh, sorry for waking you. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. She snatched that right up. A good egg for a good egg. And there you go. A very happy hand.